I'm gonna give you a tool to use when you're rolling over, sitting up, sitting down, any kind of bigger movements in your body. All you need is a pillow. So what you're gonna do is take that pillow and you are going to gently hold it against your core, and you're gonna think of this as a brace. And you are going to combine this brace, hugging it towards you to pull those core muscles in. As you breathe out, lift your pelvic floor and gently activate those core muscles up the front of the body. So what we're gonna do is just practice rolling over. You're gonna take an inhale, fill, ribs and belly, relax your pelvic floor. You've got that pillow. You're gonna lift, brace with the muscles, brace with your arms, and roll yourself over to your side. Same thing to get up. From the side lying position, we're gonna take an inhale, release, exhale, lift your pelvic floor, lift and wrap those core muscles, brace the front of the body, hugging those core muscles closer to you. If you are coming off of a bed, reaching for a bassinet, if you can keep one arm with a pillow, you're gonna take that inhale, full release, fill the ribs and belly, exhale, lift the pelvic floor, wrap or zip those core muscles up, hug that pillow towards your core to get yourself to your upright position, standing, seated, wherever you're headed. Same thing when you're getting back down. Inhale, blow before you go, lift, wrap with the muscles, brace with the pillow, and get yourself back down into wherever you're headed.